Welcome back to the channel, friends. Hope you're all doing great. Today we'll be doing this short vlog while we're working on our season 1 episode 2, and most importantly, I'll be the one presenting this video today, so no interference and no annoying from Uncle Bald, and we can work in peace. I hope you watched our season episode before, but if you haven't, I'll leave a link in the description below and please check it out. Today we'll be looking something colorful. No, not the sunrise, because we reserved it for the first season. It's going to be something flower bloom. No way! Are you serious? Not this track. Rewind. Whoop! These are called Jacaranda trees. Usually it goes full bloom in mid-October before a peak in mid-November. And the streets become filled with beautiful purple flowers gently falling on the footpaths like purple rain. It's just stunning. I wanted to quickly ride to a street where these beautiful trees form kind of purple tunnel before the season is over. You know what, there are usually a lot of people striking poses along this street for photos, but as the pandemic border closures have reduced the number of tourists flocking to McDougal Street, plenty of locals are still turning up to snap a picture of this purple haze. I'll leave a map link in the description in case if you want to visit this place. McDougal Street, I hope I say it right, yeah. Anyway, McDougal Street in Kirribilli may be very popular for this reason, but it isn't the only place that you can see jacarandas in full bloom in Australia. Here is a shot around the suburb, and most of the streets have them as you see down there. Trivia time! Here is a quick fact. Jacaranda trees aren't native to Australia, but native to Brazil. According to Sydney Living Museums, no one's quite sure how so many of these trees were planted in Sydney. One story credits hospital matron who allegedly sent newborns home with jacaranda seedling. However, the trees were a popular choice with councils attempting beautification programs from the early 20th century through to the end of 1960s, I believe. Please Google it for more information, as it could sometimes be a very unreliable source of information. Well, most of the times if you know me in person. Alrighty, time to wrap up. Let me know if this short clip was of any use to you. If not, just flick an email, don't post it public, okay? And let me know what you would like to view in the channel next, and we'll try to do it for you. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.